Welcome to my channel. Is your Xfinity modem blinking an orange light and your internet has stopped working? Don't worry, it usually means the modem is trying to connect to the Xfinity network. In this video, I'll show you 6 simple steps to fix the blinking orange light and get your Wi-Fi back online. Step 1. Check for an Xfinity outage. First, make sure the problem isn't from Xfinity's side. Open the Xfinity app or visit the Xfinity outage map using mobile data. If there's an outage in your area, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. Step 2. Inspect all cable connections. Now check every cable connected to your modem. Make sure the power cable is secure and the coaxial cable is tightly connected at both the wall outlet and the modem. Loose or damaged cables can interrupt the internet signal. Step 3. Restart the modem. Unplug the modem from the power outlet and wait for about 1 minute. Plug it back in and allow up to 10 minutes for it to reconnect. The blinking orange light may disappear once the modem finishes connecting. Step 4. Check the coaxial cable. Inspect the coaxial cable for bends, cuts, or loose connectors. If the cable looks damaged, replace it with a new one. A faulty coaxial cable is one of the most common reasons for connection problems. Step 5. Reset the modem. If the orange light is still blinking, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds using a paperclip. The modem will restart and return to its default settings, so you'll need to set it up again. Step 6. Contact Xfinity support. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact Xfinity support. They can test your connection remotely and check whether the modem, signal, or account needs attention. Sometimes a technician visit may be required. That's how you can fix the Xfinity modem blinking orange light. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Wi-Fi troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.